Lesson 103, line plots, box and whisker plots. First, let's go through what are each of these graphs look like. So a line plot is just a visual display of data based on a number line. So that's what you see above here. We have a number line right here. And then a line plot, you're just plotting points. Where do they appear on your number line? And sometimes you have multiple, the same number on there. So you're just stacking them up. So that would be our line plot. The one on the bottom is a box and whisker plot. It's a visual display of data on a number line that identifies the median, the quartiles, and the extreme. So here's your box. And that contains the median, which is in the middle, the halfway point. Quartile 1 is the 1/4 part of your number list. Quartile 3 is the 3/4, because you have half your numbers here, half your numbers here, half your numbers here, and half your numbers here. So if you divide that into 4 equal pieces, quartile 1 is your 1/4, median is your half of your number set, quartile 3 is 3/4 of it, and then you have your max and your minimum, the smallest number over here, the largest number here. And everything that's inside the box, we would consider that the quartile range. And you can find the quartile range, or the interquartile range, by taking your quartile 3 minus your quartile 1. So that's where half of the numbers would be located. So let's take a look at an example here. During physical fitness testing, students count the number of curl-ups they can do in 1 minute. The following totals were collected for the class. Graph the data on a line plot. So we're going from the lowest number we can see is 26. And the largest number we have looks like to be 55. So let's draw our number line. So we'll go from 26. We'll count by 25s, or count by 5s. We'll start at 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And then we're just going to plot each of these points. So 32 would be about here. 45 be here. 36 be about there. 40 here. 29 there. 50. 39. 45. 52. 26. 38. 48, 55, 40, 38, 51, 35, 40, 53, 42, 39, 46, 43, 40, 38, 45, and 41. So you can see my line plot there, just stacking on numbers that repeat, and you can see from the line plot which number appears most, where are most of our numbers located, and you can see that 40 had the most of them are within the 40 range, mid 30s up to mid 40s. Next question, create a box and whisker plot with the following numbers. So here you see the numbers here. I already put them in order, so we'll use that as our number line. So let's draw a line here. And our smallest number would be here, because that's 26. Our biggest number would be here, that's 55. So let's count how many numbers we have so we can find our median. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Since we have 27 numbers, half of 27 would be 13 and a half. So if we think of 26, so 13. We would go to actually the 14th number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This would be our median. So if I draw a line right here from our median, just double check over here that I have 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 on each side of this 40. So this is our median. Now our quartile 1. Quartile 1 is the halfway point, or the 1/4 point of those numbers. So quartile 1, we have 13 numbers. I have to go to the 7th number because that's the halfway point. So the 7th number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This would be our 7th number. So I'm going to put a line here because this is the first part of my box. And on this other side, I need to find the 7th number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 46 would be our quartile 3. So I'll draw a line here and connect my box. So this is quartile 3. This is quartile 1. This is our median. This is our minimum. This is our maximum. Then our whiskers, we just draw from here to here, and then from here to our maximum. So there we would actually have our box and whisker plots. I'm just going to put a box around my minimum and around my maximum. And our final slide. In this lesson, we constructed a line plot and a box and whisker plot of the same data. Which plot would you use to convey quickly the mode of the data? So if you want to find which one appears most often, that would be the line plots, because you can see where the individual numbers appear on the number line. With the box and whisker plot, you just see ranges. You don't see specific numbers. B, which plot would you use to convey quickly the median of the data? It means the halfway point. And this would be the box and whisker plots, because one of the 5 points that we find is the median. That's found in the box of the box and whisker plot. So as our lesson today, line plots and box and whisker plots.